Nguzo Babies.
Hello, friend. It's Miss Ashley. And I'm Kojo. Friends, can we say hi, Kojo?
Hi, friends.
Wow.
That's the letter T.
Yes, that's the letter T. T.
T.
That's the big T, or uppercase T.
That's the little t, or lowercase t.
Kojo, can you share what sound the letter T makes?
T.
Yes, T makes the sound T. T. Can you try it? T. T.
Can we play I Spy?
Yes, that sounds like fun. Would you like to play I Spy with us?
Yeah!
All right, Kojo, you've got the spyglass.
I spy with my little eye. A twig.
Yes, a twig. 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 A twig is part of a tree. Tree also starts with the letter T. I spy with my little eye. A tulip. Tulip. Do you know what that is? Could it be a flower? Let's try a little magic. Once upon a time, beneath the cool, quiet soil, a tulip was already waiting. Not as a seed, but as a bulb. A small, hidden bundle holding everything the flower would need. Inside the bulb are layers like pages folded around a story, storing food and energy for the days ahead. Through the colder months, the bulb rests in the dark, safe beneath the ground. And when the earth begins to warm and the light returns, the bulb awakens. Roots grow downward, anchoring it in the soil, while a green shoot begins to rise, reaching up toward the sun. Day by day, the leaves unfold, and a bud begins to form, until at last the tulip blooms, bright, bold, and full of color. But even after the flower fades, the bulb remains below, quietly storing energy again, waiting to grow and bloom once more. Beautiful tulips. Friend, it was growing where you couldn't see. Just like you're growing. Say, Kojo, should we do one more?
Yeah!
Okay. I spy with my little eye. A turtle. 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 This is a turtle. Turtles have hard shells on their backs to keep them safe. Look at this turtle. He seems to be moving pretty fast, although lots of people would say that turtles are slow. Some turtles live in water, and some turtles live on land. Turtles can live for a really long time. Some live for 100 years. Turtles eat plants, insects, or small animals. It all depends on their type. What would you like to learn about turtles? T. T makes the sound T, like
Twig. Tulip. Turtle.
Great job, Kojo. Thanks for learning about the letter T with us, friends. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Hi, friend. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For more learning fun, visit nguzobabies.com for our learning packs and puppets. See you there.
I love Nguzo Babies. Nguzo Babies.